If I want to find the 10th term of a geometric sequence, I could just figure out the common ratio and then keep multiplying until I have the 10th term. Or I could use a little formula, and it goes a little like this. A sub n equals a starting amount, which in this case is 4. It's just your first term. We could probably make this into a better formula for you. A sub 1 times the common ratio, we'll call that R. The common ratio here is going to be 500 divided by 100, which is 5, or 100 divided by 20, which is 5, or 20 divided by 4, which is 5. So we can see that that's nice and consistent. And then we're going to always do this to the n minus 1. In this case, we wanted the 10th term, so I'm going to say a sub 10 equals 4 times 5 to the 10 minus 1, or 9. So I'm going to need to do 5 to the 9th power times 4. Five to the 9th power strangely enough, I don't know how to put equals. To 9th power. Equals, there's an equal sign. Times 4. Okay, nice big number there. Actually, can I copy that? Yeah. Seven, 1, 2, 5, 0, 0. That's a pretty big number. Would have been a little tricky to keep multiplying all the way out. Check. All right, let's do this other one. Find the 6th term of a geometric. Oh, I did that one before. Try another. Find the 8th term of a geometric sequence whose common ratio is 2/3. First term is 3. So again, we are going to think about this format. A sub anything equals a sub 1 times my rate, my ratio, geometric ratio, n minus 1. All right, so I'm looking for the 8th term, and I have a first term, I have a ratio, and 8 minus 1. So I'm going to need to do 2/3 to the 7th power times 3. Two thirds to the 7th power equals times 3 equals. I don't know if it'll let me do a decimal like that, or if it wants a fraction. Fraction is a nicer number. This calculator doesn't necessarily have that option. 0.17558299. Not sure it's going to actually take that. And the alternate answer was 128 over 729, which is a better answer. I could show you how to get that probably. Let's do this one. We're finding the 8th term. We have a first term of 8, a ratio of 1/2, and 8th n, 8 minus 1. So I'm going to do 1/2 to the 7th power. times 8. So we need 2 to the 7th power. Okay, and then we have 1 to the 7th power is 1. So we have 128th. So we have 1 over 128. And we're timesing that by 8. So actually we're just going to put an 8 on the top. Over 128. I'll just simplify that myself to make it nice. Right? Or is that 16? I think that's a 16. 4, 24. 4 goes into 24 6 times. So 1/16. And just be careful with your numbers. If you have to go the decimal route, it looks like that Alex will take that as well.